Hi everybody, so today I received my KEF Mu3 True Wireless earphones or earbuds, so I thought we'd do an unboxing together. KEF are one of the world's best quality producers of audio high-end products. They were founded here in the UK actually, so in the 1960s I believe by a BBC radio engineer. They're a little bit on the expensive side. You can pick these up for around about £150 to £199. I got mine at the lower end of that by shopping around. So let's see what's in the box. So this box actually really feels quite sturdy. It's on cardboard, but really well printed and laid out, I thought. So let's open her up. This is the first time that I've opened them. So nice snug fit. Let's just put that over there. So what do we got? So first of all, got some instructions there. So let's have a little look at those. That's interesting. So it says 1961. KEF was founded, but also this one is been designed and styled by somebody called Ross Lovegrove. So if you've not heard of him, Ross Lovegrove has been involved with KEF for some time. So he's kind of like an artist, he's an industrial designer, and so he's been involved in the aesthetics of this. If you Google him, there's been quite a few interesting products that have been designed by Ross. So this is a audio speaker unit for hi-fi. This picture, one of Ross Lovegrove's one, and there's a note on the back that says it's been designed by Ross Lovegrove. So you've got the cool styling of Ross and the fantastic quality of KEF products. I've had a number of KEF products for a number of years, especially in my hi-fi systems. So what we got in here, quick start guide, some safety information and a bit of warranty, so we just leave that. But here's the bit that we want to see. Got the KEF logo here, nice silver egg-shaped holder for the earbuds. KEF branded, they're quite prominent on the front. This is only plastic, but it feels really solid. You could almost be mistaken to thinking that was kind of like aluminium or something like that. So typical of the Lovegrove design, you've got this nice egg shape. On the back there you can see the hinge. It's also got a USB 3 input there for charging the case and for charging the buds. On the front there you can see the little lip for opening, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, very nice solid hinge. Probably can't see that, but there's a KEF logo on the top there, and then you can see the two earbuds and the Lovegrove label there. Quite small, again, little egg-shaped designs. Let's take one out. Just leave that in the box. So again, you've got the KEF logo on the front, and they've opted for physical buttons. Nice positive feel back there, I can feel. There's the label to take that out to activate the battery, and the two charging points here as well. There's a magnet in here. I think when you put this in the box, you can feel that just snap in really quickly, and the box is really good quality. Got a nice positive shut if you listen, so it sounds good. You can leave the hinge any place you like. Really nice high quality hinge. So you get two of these, obviously left and right. That's what else you get in the box. I think you get some additional ear pads as well, so you can take these off and size them to what's most comfortable for your particular setup. So let's just have a look in here. I think I can probably take this out. What we got in here, got a couple of other boxes. Let's have a little look at what's in here. Oh yeah, so there we go. So you've got another 3 sizes of earbuds there, so you can change them until you find something that's nice and comfortable. What's in here? I'm assuming it's a charging lead. Let's have a little look. Yes, USB 3, and I've noticed they've even color coded it to match with the case for the earbuds. So these are true noise cancelling headphones. There's no app to control them. KEF, I don't think, believe in that, so everything's set and is automatic. So I'm looking forward to trying these, see what the quality is going to be like. Charging up is done via the case. with the USB. They claim you get about 15 hours of runtime from fully charged, and also there's a bit of a fast charge thing, so if these go flat on you, you can put them back in the case, and after just a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, I think you get another hour of runtime. So I think that's going to be pretty useful. So anyway, that was just a quick unboxing. I'm going to use these now for a few days, and then I'll come back and do a proper review to let you know what I think the quality's like and how they've been performing, especially the kind of battery runtime. That's important for me because I do quite a bit of travelling, and it's nice to have some music or watch some films while you're moving around. Anyway, so I hope you liked the video. Just a quick unboxing, and I'll be back soon with a very or more detailed review. Take care, everybody.